how to increase or decrease text size in text messages on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. Now first tap on the home button and go back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, open up the text messages app that you are using. And here we open up a text conversation. In here, to change the size of your text, simply use the pinch in or pinch out action. So here I'm going to pinch. So when I pinch in, you can see the text go smaller. Now for some reason there is a bug, it doesn't refresh the resize immediately, so you need to go back and then go back into that conversation and you should see your text get resized. So if I zoom out, you can see it's really big now. And if I go back out and go back in, all my text are updated. So that is the only one issue is that for Google messaging app, when you resize the text, it does not get refreshed straight away. So you have to go back out and then go back into your messages to see the font size change. Now if you are using the Samsung text messaging app, then you shouldn't have any issue. So here I will try to open up the Samsung messaging app. There it is. So I'm going to continue with Samsung messages. And here you can see if I open up the Samsung text messages, I can zoom in and zoom out. Again, we just need to use the pinch in or pinch out gesture to increase or decrease the text size in the text messages app. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.